Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, you have 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So Alkaline fall off for 10 years. Who knows that, you know? And the man sold out the arena. Boy, me have to create some impact in a dancehall. And then me just get fall off when nobody not talk about me again. And then now promote a big show in the US. Because it come like a lot of work. But me not go to prison.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
One, you don't know what Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know what thing said. People, we have to give the Vendetta fans a round of applause. Big up on yourself. For make on artists create history and show them say young youths can come run boy. You understand? I have to big up the Vendetta fans. I have to big up Alkaline team. For said history in a Barclays Center. Seeing? The biggest solo show in a one day in a Barclays Center in a dancehall history. While a lot of people in them feelings. But Alkaline say feelings. You understand? Yeah. A history youth said. I don't know if I congratulate the youth, because I'm the future dancehall. You understand? Don't congratulate him while it's getting late. You understand? Because soon after this, we're going to pass. I go fly past and I can't roll out. You see me? Yeah, man. And to me, I'm going to make this statement, people. Alkaline is the greatest young artist in a dancehall history of all time. Anybody want to take it back? Because I can prove it to you. For a youth where they in the game for just a short space of time and do this. Remember him in a Barclays last year, you know. And see him come do it by himself now. Because them that say, I a bag of artist. Now him come do it by himself and prove it. And create history. You can't stop greatness. No matter how you fight, you can't stop it. You understand? But people are going every day and making hear what going on with the brother here. So you see me?
In the US, me think so Alkaline sold out Barclays Center in the US. Me think we don't see a Cartel alone could do it. Me think we don't see a Cartel alone could. Our man, why? Me think we say sometimes man go to prison. Our man fall off. It creates such an impact that he can keep one show in one of the biggest arena overseas and sold out. Because Cartel 13 years in prison and the man can swallow out the show. And Uno say, Alkaline fall off from 2016. 2016 was in last year. So you have 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So Alkaline fall off for 10 years. Who knows that, you know? And the man sold out the arena. Why? You have to create some impact in the dancehall. And then me just get fall off when nobody not talk about me again. And then now promote a big show in the US. Because it come like a lot of work. But we not go to prison.
You man saying that go to prison to mama. Me not wrong, ya dog. People, you don't always hear the 2016 fall off thing with Alkaline. That's just an industry talk when them can't control you. Remember me tell you that. That is a trick for make other artists not reach Alkaline level. Because Alkaline is a blueprint of a superstar dancehall artist. You understand? The industry don't want the artists them see what Alkaline do. So them create a lot of things in fall off from 2016. But if him fall off from 2016 and it's 10 years now and he's the only young dancehall artist doing what he's doing now, it better you be a fall off artist then. Because if he's a fall off artist, I go full out arena and set record. It better you be a fall off artist. For real. Because the artists, when them say are hot and around the road, we're not seeing the impact. So something is wrong in that equation. You understand? But here I say people.
I'm not going to prison. I'm not going to prison to create no great impact. But fall off, yes, because a prison and fall off, I sold out the show them. Because I say the artists fall off, you know. And if you're man fall off, and sold out the arena, Barclays Center in the US. That means fall off is a good thing then, brother.
Yeah, man, fall off is a good thing, man. Remember when Alkaline said sell off? A fall off now. A fall off artist a run dancehall. Yeah, man, 10 years now. Fall off artist. It better. Remember this, you know. This is the huge show we are new rules we are keeping at Barclays, you know. Fall off artist. No money better. Maybe one fall off artist and I making millions right now. And a broke record. Than I be hottest artist at the moment. And I sell out backyard and cake sale. Yeah. I saw me see it now. Cause at the end of the day, at night. You see me? Yeah.
Fall off is a good thing. Yes, fall off is a good thing. You have to try the fall off thing. Because stay relevant till you get it around. The man sold out the arena. And they know me as someone who ask much you ticket. The man ticket them reasonable. Because the man love his fans them.
No, you know if Gaza fans go to work. You understand? You know them go to work already. You see, because them go up and them have the affirm and the pay later option. Yeah. Them alright. You see me? But at the end of the day, sold out is sold out. I don't know when since in dancehall we ever talking about ticket prices. But remember this. Cartel are the way I do. And Alkaline are the way I do. So if Alkaline price is this, Alkaline price is that. Cartel price are that. But remember this. It's not all of Cartel shows. You have big tickets. I remember last year for Labor Day. Him ticket drop from $1,000 to 250. You understand? You see, because the hype is around Vice Cartel, there's a lot of things and a lot of factors people won't see. Because they're not going to pull up anything that Cartel do, like how them pull up Alkaline tickets. You understand? So, a lot of people, them not going to realize what going on. But we see a lot of things. You see me? Because at the end of the day, Alkaline have ticket with $800 at the front of the stage. 500, 600. You understand? Me hear people say Alkaline have $40 ticket. Me don't know where them get that from. You understand? Because the last time me check, the Sunfest with Movard and Vice Cartel, the ticket them have $45 US. So, me don't know. The only a $70 ticket. The last time I see Alkaline ticket at first with the nosebleed up in the top in the roof there. And then everything start go up sky high. 116, 120 something. Them going up. Right now people are resale ticket and I make money. You see me? So them can't go and worry about price because soon after this, the price have to be go dropping. You understand?
Why do you think we could have got Freedom Street? Them they heap up money for VIP and for the upfront. I mean, I have to pay the $100 US. If you go stand up where on the card here in Cartel Vice. If me I got them a big show, they have the upfront. Me couldn't afford that 10,000 US, brother. And even me have money in spending on it. And not only that, if you know what I say, we there so I fight as a free roll boss. Over the years, the 30 years. Have you know so the man come from prison? The man keep a show. Where the price for the show. And then look at me as a free roll boss and I play some song and I roll up as a free roll boss. Me couldn't afford it. No, Alkaline don't do that. Alkaline make him take them affordable. So everybody, lobster and barrel, can go take him in for the show.
Yes, because the thing is that, you know, Alkaline is a brand, is a business, and him go create a package so him fans can come see him. You understand? An average price where him fans them can come see him and happy to see him and enjoy him performance, and a price where him a go home with him pocket nice. You understand? Cartel go prison 13 years, him forward out, him a go hike up in price and all of these things. You see me? Because them just a see him perform. You see me? So, him can do what him want to do. But after a while, everything will go back to normal prices.
That's why I have to rate the vendetta boss. Him not just scrape from him fans them. Because there's no way me shall not cheer for you for 13 years in a prison island and then you come now. I want big money. You take off of me. To me come see him. You shall give you a free show. If you know say we out here fight the fight. For you get free. Court case are going. And we don't have courthouse. Case have to put off because we want to do it and make up bad and nice. Free roll boss. And you come out and do that. You want to come and ask, come on, Alkaline ticket them, say Alkaline ticket them cheap. And that's why I sold out the show. I'm going to the women. I'm going to go sold out or sold out. All sold out, I see him sold out. It doesn't matter how you want to take it. Self, I'm going to take it for $1 million. And for this, I'm going to 50,000. He sold out. Sold out and sold out. The man sold out the show. And that's what I have to say.
Yes, it's because the reason why them do them thing, you know, is because you see through them want have the record if you say them have solo show, them are gonna use bag of thing about Alkaline have $40 ticket, Alkaline have this, Alkaline have that. Because them want Alkaline have feed them price a ticket when it's not Alkaline did lock up when nobody can see him. You understand? And remember, say Alkaline been a performing in the United States for the same 13 years there. Cartel wasn't. You see me? So them want Alkaline to take the same boat a Cartel attack. No, and I saw it work. You see me? And I saw it work, people. You see it. But see your next brother forward out. And I see a thing. You hear me say?
The biggest dancehall show at the Barclays Center.
Right here, so. And this is why dancehall will never, ever get as big as Afrobeat as some other genre of music. Because of people like the brother right here, so. My name, I am King Paris. Now, he went on a Reggae Fest page and I laugh and say Alkaline show, no sell off. And this is what the promoter responded to him and say, he has already sold out when we hit 13K. We added extra seats for this show. So New Rules was sold out from they hit 13,000 tickets. CJ Milan added extra seat just for the show to show you the demand of the show. He'll have the biggest sold out show in dancehall history. Remember,
Vendetta fans, a round of applause again. And this is the thing, you know, people. You see the more and more me see all these things happening, it kind of show me say, yo, it's like the industry been fooling these artists a lot of times. Like the way how them say Alkaline fall off, him not drop no hits, him not get no hits like that, him need for 2016 gone and all of them look a thing there. But how come the youth that do them something here? Me not understand. People, how come the youth are sold out shows and him not getting a song? Something not half there, so. Something not half. Because majority of the artists them we pull them big numbers are them old catalog. Are them first time song where people start to know them. You understand? But Alkaline have songs out there. But I guess them a say him nah no hits in a Jamaica, but him have the hits outside of Jamaica. I saw me see it. People. You see me? Cause right now, you know, me prefer Alkaline career right now. Because we see the moves where him do, him have him big brand keep crossover, him have New Rules UK, sold it out. Him have UK in Canada. Him have UK, him have Canada show New Rules. And see him go have in a Barclays United States, you know. Him keep Jamaica one last year. No man. We can't see that. People, at this I fall off artists. It better be one fall off artist to rot it, because this a youth that we can't see create so much impact, and it's like where other rest artists them there? The artists them what them say a run a place and a drop a bag of hits and the most consistent artists. How them not doing these things? Me not understand. In people, this not me I tell you say wrong matter go on a dancehall right now, you know. Them a say some artists have 20 hit song last year and him consistent. But he look like a consistent now consistent teens. Because a consistent there, it come like me no know. It come like a bicycle them a ride. But the bicycle now go up the hill. A reverse. You understand? Because there is no way this artist here get so much hit songs. But I be a backyard show him I get. And what happen? No, man. We supposed to see impact for your artists where we are do a bag of thing, man. You see me, people?
Remember, we already hold the record. So people, what CJ Milan really has said is that Alkaline's new rules will be the biggest dancehall show in history in the Barclays Center. Give Alkaline in props. I know some people are going to come and talk nonsense in the comment section, but you can't go around the fact. You cannot go around the fact that the man is a crowd puller. CJ Milan, the promoter of the show, had to take time from her busy schedule just to address this bad mind boy when him I Am King Paris 91, but the man show a sell off. And CJ Milan make you know say the show sell off and the man reached 13K. And they had to add extra seat just for this show. The man show is going to be the biggest dancehall show ever to be in the Barclays Center. You can't fight greatness. In a matter
People, and if you go to the tickets right now, the man them a add tickets behind the stage, people, and people are buy. Imagine. Behind the stage. Toy people them well want come see Alkaline. And they imagine. Behind the stage people ma buy ticket, you know. Me I tell you people, behind the stage people them I buy the ticket. You see me? Behind the stage.
the fight you fight the man from 2013 until now, look at that. Him alone upon the flyer. Alkaline alone upon the flyer. And me sell out the show with extra seat. We're not gonna say no. I want key man. You can't fight greatness.
I make it pass a little drama. How the man could love himself, we keep it calm. Feel like me can conquer the world now. Feel like me can conquer the world now. Remember the youth did tell you. Told us alright. Yeah, me did right. I look at my life. We going another. We getting larger and larger. Yo, you have to big up the artists. And big up the supporters. You understand? Yeah, man. The youth make great moves. And as I say, Alkaline, the greatest young artist in a dancehall of all time. Remember me tell you that. The youth, I do something before him time. Yes, people, he might do something before him time. The same fall off artist what they say, I make history in a Barclays Center. At 32. Alkaline is just 32. And he's doing what he's doing by himself. A youth in a game for 13 years now, people. 13 years. Imagine, and the youth have such a huge fan base already. I know nothing normal that. Me I tell you people, I know nothing normal that. You understand? Trust me. You see, it better only just rate the youth. Yeah. Me I tell you people, it better you just rate. Cause me say more no fight the youth and more youth expose, you know. You understand? And the youth are do it big for dancehall. Big. And you see Saturday we are forward. Remember me tell you this. March 21st, I go be Vendetta holiday. Mark me words. Vendetta holiday. March 21st. Every year. I tell you that people. People I go always remember that day. You see what I go on at that show there? Oh boy, I tell you people, the children not even know what I go on. New York, I got turn upside down. Me I tell you that people. Upside down. You see it? So, go for big up the artists. The youth are the great things. Yeah man, go and say him fall off and go and say him this car. At the end of the day, him a do way better than the artists them wanna say around the place right now. Remember me tell you that. And him no need no clout and no hype and no nothing to do it. The youth use him music and him impact and him fans them a forward out come see him. Remember me tell you this. Remember say him nah use no storyline. Yeah. So the youth are do him thing. You see it? Yeah. But you don't know things setting up people. Yeah man, I want me the facts on the app man. Some guy better recognize that. That is it.